Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the Multiversus like disconnected from the match error code. And it's just like a loss, so you obviously don't want that, and you really can't do anything as well like in order to prevent it well before you know what happens. So I'm going to be showing us how to fix that and like stop it from ever happening again in the future. So the first thing you guys can do is, if you have Multiversus open up currently, just simply close the game and then restart it. And you can also just restart your console as well. You know, that by going to power and then just restart your console. And the second method you guys can do is test your internet connection. Make sure that there's nothing wrong with it, you're not using a different Wi-Fi. And if you're using a correct Wi-Fi, just go ahead and change the DNS codes. Just go ahead and change the DNS codes. And the final thing you guys can do is you can delete Multiversus and then re-download it. And the game isn't that much GB, I think it's only like 20, so it shouldn't take too long to download it. And yeah, so that is really basically it for the video. That is how to fix that error code. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.